In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your podcast into engaging short videos using Descript and Canva. All you need is Descript, a free Canva account, and a short clip from your podcast. If you don't already have Descript, use my link in the description to save 50% on the first 2 months. This software is the best tool to help you create content for social media, and it's a fraction of the price of other video editing software. I've also included my discount link at the top of the comments. I also have a free school community where I share even more tips for podcasting. Now back to the tutorial. Ideally, your clip should be between 1 and 3 minutes long. If you're not sure which part of your podcast to use, take your transcript, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to identify the most engaging moment. Head over to Canva and create a design that's 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is the standard vertical format for short-form video. This will be your background image. You can keep it simple with a solid color or use gradients, images, or even include your podcast logo. Once you're happy with it, export that image. Now open Descript and create a new project. Import your podcast clip by dragging and dropping the audio file, or by copying and pasting it from another project. Next, import your background image into your project. Make sure your project is set to vertical video and scale the image so it fills the entire screen. Now let's add captions. On the right-hand menu, click on Captions and choose a style that fits your content. Place the captions in the middle of the screen so they immediately grab attention. Then adjust the font, size, and color until it's clean and easy to read. Now we're going to add visuals. Listen to the first sentence of your audio and think about what kind of image or video represents that idea. For example, if your audio says it was the best of times, you might show something like growing crops or a booming stock market. Once you have an idea, go to Media, then search Visuals and find a clip that matches. Add it to your project and position it between your top text and your captions. Make sure that clip is muted. Click on it, go to Properties, and either turn the audio all the way down or tap the speaker icon to mute it. Next, add a title at the top of the screen. Go to Elements, then Text, and select Title. Place this at the top of your video. This text should stay consistent throughout the clip and act as a hook, something that adds context or makes people curious. Adjust the design so it stands out but still looks clean. From top to bottom, your video should now have your title at the top, your visuals in the middle, your captions below that, and your background image behind everything, with your podcast branding if you included it. Now just repeat that process for the rest of your clip. For each sentence or idea, add a new visual that matches what's being said. This keeps the video engaging and helps hold attention.